118 small islands make up Venice, with 438 bridges that connect each island. The canals are 10 to 15 feet deep, and swimming is prohibited because the water quality isn't suitable. Since Venice is built on a lagoon, the canal waters are brackish, meaning they are a mix of salt and fresh water. Thousands of striped mooring poles can be found throughout the canals. It is said that they are a 6th century old tradition, and hundreds of years ago, the colors on the Venetian mooring poles represented the families who owned them and sometimes their political affiliation. Beautiful Venice goes by many names, such as the City of Bridges, the Floating City, the City of Canals, the City of Masks, City of Water, and Queen of the Adriatic. The city was founded around 400 AD and absorbed Gothic, Byzantine, and Ottoman influences into what became known as a Venetian Gothic. You can see evidence of this in the windows throughout the city. Venice's palaces don't face the streets, they face the canals. Of course, since Venice's canals were its streets, this makes sense. The Venice Grand Canal has over 170 buildings built along its 2.5-mile length. They are believed to have been built between the 13th and 18th century, and most open directly onto the canal, making their fronts accessible only by boat. This lovely art museum stands on the right bank of the Grand Canal of Venice. Wow, that's a large skeleton fisherman. Mosaics are on the outer wall of many of the buildings along the Venice Canal. Houses in Venice are numbered according to districts, not streets, making it difficult to find addresses even for postmen. The rule of thumb is to look for a monument, shop, or landmark in close proximity. The wood has miraculously avoided decay over the centuries because it's underwater and not exposed to oxygen, and also because the salt water has hardened the wood into a more durable stone-like consistency. Thank you for watching.